Hello. And welcome to my English class. Previously in part 1 we learned formal greetings and how to use them. And today we are going to learn informal greetings in English. Are you ready? Let's get it started. Greeting means showing closeness, affection and kindness towards a person or group and wishing health, well-being and success. Greeting each other is an important step in social interaction and is accepted as a basic behavior that reflects tolerance, respect and communication skills in all cultures. An informal greeting is a casual way of greeting and is usually used with friends, family members, or in everyday life. When using an informal greeting, it is important to consider the context and relationship with the greeting. For example, "Hey" may be too casual for a first meeting, even in an informal setting, while "Hi" is generally safe for most casual encounters. Remember that your voice and body language also play an important role in conveying the informality of your greeting. A warm tone and a smile can make any greeting friendly and informal. Let's have a look at some scenarios where informal greetings are most frequently used. Friends and family. Social gatherings. Casual work environments. Answering the phone. Casual written communication. Among young people. If you like this video, take a moment to put thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and activate notifications, so you won't miss any of my videos that I'm uploading constantly.
Hi.
Hey. What's up?
Pretty well.
It's good to see you.
It's good to see you too.
How is it going?
Well, nothing special.
How's life treating you?
Pretty good, thanks.
What's new with you?
Nothing much.
How have you been?
I have been fine.
How are things?
Things are not going well.
That's all for today. I hope you have learned how to use the different greetings in English. See you next time for more videos. Thanks for watching.